Can people hear me? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Very happy to be here today. I'm Dorothy, and these are my teammates, Jiangxi, Ksenia, and Alyssa. Our project Codernotes actually grew out of a problem we experienced while we were students at Grace Hopper Academy. Our classes consisted of both practical code and theory, and we were looking for a note-taking application where we could take notes like we were used to in Evernote or Google Docs, where we could use boldface and underline, but at the same time, actually display our code like we would in a code editor, Sublime or other code editors. And at the same time, we actually wanted to be able to run our code too in the same environment, like we would in repl.it or Chrome DevTools. Well, that's where Codernotes comes in. It combines all of these functionalities into one software application that's useful for both professional developers and coding students alike. Now I'll turn this over to my teammate Jiangxi, who will talk about the application's functionality.
Thank you, Darcy. Codernotes provide a way to share notes with your friends and your colleagues. Our public notes are searchable by any users and as accessible through a unique URL. After logging in, a user can organize notes from the user note page. The user note page is divided into navigation area and editing area. In navigation area, user can create a note, create a notebook, or search notes by using search bar. And user can also organize notes into an unlimited number of the notebook by topics, or classify notes by attaching relevant tags. In editing area, user can use Markdown to format their note text. We implement Markdown because it is easy to read and easy to write, and developers also often use this to format their README files. After editing, user can also share notebook with other users. Now I will share this notebook with Ksenia, and Ksenia will check this.
Now I will sign in with my account, and we can check out the node that was just shared. In Codernotes, you can run the code directly in the same window in an interactive NodeJS sandbox called Tonic. All you need to do is to highlight the text and press Ctrl-Enter. We used Tonic to connect to Node environment. It provides an immediate access to all NPM packages. In our example here, we're using Lodash, and all you need to do is to require the module as the top as you normally would in your code. And once you're done, you can simply close the sandbox and go back to your node. Codernotes is integrated with GitHub, and if you want to export the node as a gist, you can do so with the press of a button. And if you go to your GitHub account, you will find the newly created gist there. And now I will turn over to Alyssa.
Thanks, Ksenia. So coders are expert Googlers. It's almost a knee-jerk reaction when they encounter an error or are looking to learn a new programming language or library. And so Codernotes is great for this because you can aggregate all of the information that you found into one spot. And we also have one other tool, which is the Chrome extension. So say you find this really interesting tutorial and you want to save a couple snippets of text or a piece of code. All you have to do is highlight it. It'll appear in the Chrome extension once you click on it. And you can title it whatever you want and place it into the correct notebook. And once you press save, it'll sync it up with the web app. So once you go back to the web app, you can see it in the correct notebook. So the Chrome extension is actually available in the Chrome Web Store. So if you want to check it out, all you have to do is search for Codernotes. And yeah, that's Codernotes. It's kind of like a developer-friendly version of Evernote, and you should check it out at codernotes.us.